These are red onions. I'm going to cut them up in little small chunks. Small as I can get them. Okay, I did the red onions. Now I'm gonna do the celery. I did not know I had that on. Always make sure your eyes are off. Then freak accidents won't happen. Okay, I chopped all the celery and red onions. I'm going to place it into this bowl. Okay, I have 2 eggs. I have 1 pound of ground meat. It's 100% pure ground meat. 8% lean, 20%, 20% fat. I'm going to throw this in the trash. It says the container serves 4 people. 1 pound, 4 people. Now let me get to my next thing. My mother usually have done it. This is a meatloaf. You can make different variations of meatloaf, but this is mine for today. Usually I would have green onions chopped up and tomatoes and different other stuff. So today I got red onions and celery and cherry tomatoes in it. But what she always did is add bread, toasted bread with the eggs. And you want to break it up. But I'm using a bun that we had because we didn't have any more wieners. We had 2 buns left over. So I'm going to break these up finely. This is like a filler. It's called to help hold the meatloaf together. And so back in the day, they would use crackers, breadcrumbs, no different than they use in dressing. So what I did is I toasted this bun and to give it a crumbly effect. And so I'm just breaking it up as finely as I can. And when you don't have tomato sauce, some people know how to make their tomato sauce homemade. I do too, but maybe one day I'll show that on a later vid. But if you have spaghetti sauce, you can use spaghetti sauce. You can doctor it up with salt and pepper, garlic, the spaghetti sauce. You put the stuff in there to make the seasonings to give it a authentic taste. Instead of mashing it, I'm gonna blend it with my hands. Because I want all the ingredients in here. You can use bell peppers. We've used bell peppers in our ingredients before. I'm gonna wash my hands with soap and water because I held my hands with meat, raw meat. Okay, now let me throw my mess away. Put the bag in the trash. And what I want to do is kind of wipe my cabinet down a little bit. I want to get some of the excess crumbs off the cabinet. Okay. Okay. What I want to do is rinse my can off. Now, I'm going to open this can up. I don't have time to experiment, but I'm finna do it the way that I've been doing it. I know it's more than one way to open a can. Okay. I'm going to put my seasonings in here. This is garlic powder. And I'm going to put some salt. Pepper, black pepper. I'm going to put some salt. I'm going to put some chili pepper. And I'm going to put this tomato paste in here. Not tomato paste, spaghetti sauce. Leave half of it in there. I'm going to stir this well. Took some of that tomato out. I'm going to pour it in here. Not all of it. Just some of it. And I'm going to mix it again. To make it moist, I want to make sure all my ingredients are in there. Try to form it in a ball to get all the ingredients in. It's possible. Then I'm going to place it in this container right here. I want to make sure all my ingredients is out. Then you're going to form your shape of a meatloaf. You're going to cook this on 345 degrees for 45 to minutes. 35 to 45 minutes. And then you're going to place the other topping on top. Now, here's the meatloaf. I've already cooked it for about an hour and 45 minutes. I'm going to place the rest of the sauce on top. And just let it drizzle. And I'm going to place it back in the oven and let it bake for like 20 minutes.